Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix app not available. When you try to download app from App Store and showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So guys, if you're facing the error like this app is currently not available in your country or region, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. Then it means this app is not available for your country. First of all, you have to open settings, and from here guys you have to tap on general, and from here you have to tap on date and time and make sure that your time zone is correct. Now go back and also make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, just simply disconnect it, and after that you have to go back from here and just simply you have to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID. Now tap on media and purchases. From here you have to tap on view account. Now wait some second. From here guys, now from here guys, tap on country origin. Because this app is not available in your country, just simply you have to change your country, and I'll guarantee your problem 100% will be fixed. Tap on change country origin. From here you have to select other country. If you have selected one of them, just simply change to other one. Let me show you here. Once you tap on other country, just simply you have to read these terms and condition. If you agree to them, tap on agree again, tap on agree and wait some second from here guys. And from here you have to select your payment method at none. Now after selecting the payment method, just simply you have to put the billing address here. So you can put fake one as well. Here you have to put your city name, and here you have to put the postcode of your city. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. And you can also put the phone number, fake one. Once you have done this guys, just simply have to tap on next, and after that your country origin will be changed and you can easily install that app. So that's pretty much for today video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.